Boys and girls, yesterday we started the beginning of a story. Today we're going to move on to the middle of our story. Yesterday, if you remember, I said for my weekend, I went to a volleyball tournament. That was the beginning of my story. I went to a volleyball tournament. In the middle of my day, I went to Zaxby's for lunch. That's the middle of my day. So the first part of my story was I went to a volleyball tournament. The middle of my story is I went to Zaxby's for lunch. So I'm going to draw a big Zaxby's sign because that's where I went for lunch. I'm going to write Zaxby's on it. And I had a chicken sandwich. So I'm going to draw my chicken sandwich. And you can see some chicken hanging out from it. It was yummy too. And I had some crinkle fries with it. So I had a chicken sandwich and crinkle fries. And then I would have my helper or my adult or my parent help me write that. I went to Zaxby's for lunch. I started my sentence with an uppercase letter, I, and then I wrote the rest of my sentence, went to Zaxby's for lunch, and I'm going to finish my sentence with a period. So the middle of my story is I went to Zaxby's for lunch.